Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your SST teacher Afshin. As you know, in the previous lecture I have told you about the United Nations and its structure like General Assembly, Secretariat, etc. Students, in this lecture you will be able to know about the different agencies of United Nations like UNESCO, UNICEF, ILO, FAO, IMF, WHO. Now move to the first one. UNICEF. UNICEF stands for United Nations Children's Fund. It also provides the basic health care and education to the children, particularly in the developing world. It runs huge immunization programs against the main diseases. It helps to train mothers in less developed countries and bring their children so that they are healthy and can have secure lives. And its headquarters is located in New York City, Geneva. Now move to the second one. UNESCO. UNESCO stands for United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, which tries to encourage collaboration between nations and share knowledge in education, science and culture, books, dance, music, etc. Groups of performers travel to different countries to show their ideas of arts. Now the next one is ILO, which stands for International Labour Office. This was an organization taken over from the old League of Nations. It is based in Switzerland and tries to improve working and living conditions. It tries to improve wages, technical cooperation and democracy in the workplace. ILO also tries to settle international trade disputes. Now the next one is IMF, which stands for International Monetary Fund, which tries to stabilize the financial status especially of the developing countries and to expand trade. It advises members on money problems. While IMF does not lend money to countries, which is done through the World Bank, it has ways of helping states which are facing temporary difficulties with their balance of payment. Now the next one is FAO, which stands for Food and Agriculture Organization. It works to improve agricultural standards among poorer countries so that they have enough food for the people. It does this by introducing better breeds or animals and crops, by helping some countries to get adequate water supplies and by distribution of food in times of shortage. The next one is WHO, which stands for World Health Organization. It tries to improve the standard of health throughout the world by improving conditions as sanitation, immunization against diseases such as malaria and research to find out the causes of illness. It has a special program training for mothers in developing countries for bringing up children and limiting the population explosion. Now it's time for the home task. Write down the note on any other agency of United Nations and then send me on my email, which is afsheensimab@gmail.com.